EZ-FLO has a new premium fill kit. It's designed to make refilling your EZ-FLO as simple as possible for any type of landscape. No more guessing which products to use and how much to apply. EZ-FLO's got you covered. The premium fill kit comes with instructions, 8 ounces of max build, 8 ounces of Hydromax, and 8 pounds of Fertimax Landscape water-soluble fertilizer. It also includes a bucket for mixing with a fill line so you know how much product to add. Let's talk about the ingredients. Max Build adds carbon and essential micronutrients to the soil. Hydromax is a surfactant that will help penetrate clay soils and saturate sandy soils, saving water and allowing nutrients to access the root zone. It also has carboxylic acid, which cleans drip emitters. Fertimax Landscape is the all-purpose NPK formula that works great on mixed landscapes with turf and flower beds. It's also boosted with organic compounds to build the root zone of your turf and plants.